Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 12th of January. And first of all, national news. Free food grains distribution scheme to cover 80 crore poor named PMGKAY center. Supreme Court to hear play against Bihar caste census on January 20. Bombay High Court quashed FDA order against Johnson & Johnson permitted company to sell baby powder. Key road project near Myanmar faced cancellation as funds have lapsed. Mizoram road to center. Kharge invited 21 like-minded parties to join concluding function of Bharat Jodo Yatra in Srinagar. Union Cabinet cleared 2,600 crore outlay for digital payments. Union Cabinet approved formation of 3 new cooperative societies. Sita Raman, UK Chancellor of Exchequer, discussed bilateral issues G20. Joshi mud sinking. Uttarakhand CM announced 1.5 lakh compensation for affected families. Rainfall expected to temporarily abate cold wave conditions, fog in Delhi, Punjab. PM Modi to flag off Ganga Vilas, world's longest river cruise on January 13. 17th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, Murmu, Indian diaspora making stellar contributions in leadership positions. PM to attend 3-day Police Chiefs Conference from January 20. Supreme Court Collegium named 9 for HCs, 1 for third time. Microseismic observatories to be set up in Joshimath this week, Union Minister Jitendra Singh. And now international news. US flights grounded in massive chaos after system failure. Japan started 2023 with the world's most powerful passport, allowing visa-free entry to 193 global destinations. Ukraine military denied Russian group Wagner captured Soledar. South Korea, US to hold February nuclear tabletop drills to deter North. Taiwan Air Force official revealed details of rare NATO interaction. Saudi Crown Prince big step towards boosting investment in Pakistan. Zelensky at Golden Globe Awards, there will be no third world war. Packet containing uranium seized at London airport. Biden said unaware of content of classified documents found at the think tank. Russia hit Ukraine's Kharkiv after German minister visited. Brazil's Supreme Court ordered arrest of Bolsonaro's ex-justice minister. And now some sports news. Malaysia Open, PV Sindhu lost to Carolina Marin in opening round. Malaysia Open, Prannoy Trump's compatriot Lakshya Sen in thrilling opener. Novak Djokovic cut Australian Open practice shot over hamstring issue. No career finished line in sight for confident, pain-free Andy Murray. Manchester United, Newcastle United ease into League Cup semi-finals. ICC ODI rankings, Virat Kohli moved to 6th spot, Rohit Sharma, Mohammad Siraz made gains. Now, business-related news. Sensex Nifty fall in early trade as foreign fund outflows continue. Rupee rose 13 paise per US dollar in early trade. Investors skeptical as risk rose for India stocks ahead of budget. Google denied temporary relief in Rs 936 crore antitrust fine. IMF saw India as bright spot in global economy, PM Modi said. News from Science and Technology. India carried out successful test launch of Prithvi 2nd. Russia to send rocket to retrieve crew from International Space Station. Researchers discovered Egypt's oldest storm oriented to winter solstice. And that's all in news. Thank you.